Hi everyone, welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have Asus monitor. This is the model VA27E. This is the size is 27 inches and it comes with IPS, which is ultra wide viewing angle. Then it's frameless design, which makes it look sleek, and the refresh rate is 75 Hz. It has eye care, and if you want to mount it on the wall you can, and then it has this 4-way ergonomic stand. Now if you look at the energy level, it's E, so it's not too good on the energy, but then let's see. It's Asus in search of incredible. Now I'll show you the monitor from like the unboxed monitor. So here are some more details about the eye care. Of course HDMI, and it's good if you're using it for games. The display port and USB hub, and again the stand, like you can just move it around like this. Now this is how the monitor looks like, and you can see on the side like it's sleek, not bulky at all. Even the texture is good, like it feels nice. And as if you want to lift it, it's just like this. You can lift it, and then you can, yeah, so it depends. Like if you're standing and using it, I think it's good for that as well, and if you want to sit and use it, it's good for that too. Yeah, so I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.